I buy this stuff with my own money, right? I don't have them, they don't sponsor me, I don't get paid by them. Liqui Moly, but this is the best oil additive I have found on the market. Made in Germany. One thing you need to do before you put it in is make sure the seal is still there. See? Still there in place. I'll show you the color too. Pops out like that. Ooh. All right. You should do this right after a fresh oil change. Liqui Moly, best stuff on the planet. Let that drain for the next 30 minutes.